Today we've had the joy of receiving that long-awaited news of the appointment of the Bishop of Machakos. The Holy Father, Pope Francis, has appointed for the See of Machakos, the Diocese of Machakos, the current Bishop of Bungoma, Bishop Norman Wambua King'oo. This is good news for all of us. We've been praying for the last almost 4 years, 3 3/4 years, praying that the Lord may send a shepherd for the people of Machakos. It is a very consoling news because, of course, it means that the shepherd will be closer, and also consoling because the shepherd who the Holy Father in his wisdom has appointed for the Diocese of Machakos is a man who has a tremendous experience. He's almost 20 years. He's my elder brother in the episcopate, so he's one of those who have walked me into the episcopate, and so there is no doubt he has tremendous experience to nurture this wonderful Diocese of Machakos.